Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your photos more fun and expressive, iOS 18 makes it easier than ever to add stickers directly to your photos. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to put stickers on your photos step by step. Let's get started. Start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Select the photo you want to customize with stickers. Click on the three-line option at the bottom of the screen. So this will open the photo editing interface. In the editing options, tap the Markup tool, a small pen icon. From here, you can use various tools, but we're focusing on adding stickers. Now you guys, tap the plus icon, usually in the bottom right corner, to bring up additional options. Select stickers from the list. Browse through the available stickers, including your own custom emoji stickers, Memoji stickers, or app sync stickers. Drag the sticker to the desired location on your photo. Pinch to resize or rotate the sticker for perfect placement. Add as many stickers as you want to make your photo pop. Once you're satisfied with your sticker placement, tap Done to save your changes. The edited photo will be saved to your camera roll. And there you have it. That's how you can easily add stickers to your photos on iPhone in iOS 18. Whether you're making your memories more fun or creating unique designs, this feature has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.